How to fix Discord app stock on connecting screen on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. The very first thing you want to do is switch your network. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi option. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Scroll down. You will see the option of Configure DNS. Click on it. Set it to manual. Clear all the existing DNS servers and then click on Add Server. Type in 1.1.1.1 and click on Save. After you apply this process, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, hit back. Close this. Open your App Store. Now search for the app Discord. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update over here. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your Discord app to its latest version. Likewise, close this. Open your settings app. Scroll down, open the option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now find the app Discord. Once you find it, open it. Click on the option of Load app. Click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether it is working or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you have to give fresh restart to your device. For that, open Settings. Go to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone and wait for a minimum 60 seconds and again turn on your phone, and you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall your Discord app and reinstall it. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Discord app stock on connecting screen on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.